Barbie phone video, how to make your own. No printing anything, no hot gluing anything. So it's gonna be super easy, super simple. So let's get right into it. Okay, first we're gonna start out with our supplies. So first we need a stick of glue, thin piece of cardboard, which is probably from a cereal box or something. You don't need too much of it. Some scissors and a piece of paper. Okay, so first we're going to get our piece of paper and cardboard, and we're going to place our cardboard onto the piece of paper, and we're going to fold the piece of paper over the cardboard. Make sure the cardboard is right on the edge of the paper. You're going to unfold it, and you're going to take your glue stick, and you're going to glue that and fold it over. Make sure it's all the way on there. And if there's any corners that aren't on there, glue those too. And do the other side. Okay, and now you're going to cut out a shape of the phone. You can, if you want, like trace it out with pencil before, but I'm just gonna cut it out. Okay, I'm very picky with mine, but I finally got the perfect shape. And now you could get any marker or pen or anything you want. And all you have to do is, like, you could draw whatever you want on there. But what I do is I draw a little square at the top. And then I do 6 little dots. And there's your cute little phone. And you could do many colors like this. Ah, what a nice day it is. I wonder what the weather is today. Maybe I should look at my phone. Oh, here it is. Okay, let's look. Oh, it's 64 degrees. Hey guys, I hope you liked my video. Remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notification button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!